I'm going to switch things up a little bit. Lately, I've been putting up videos of breath practices because they're really wonderful for helping us to quiet our breath and our mind and calm our nervous system during stressful times. But today, I want to do something a little more active because it can also be really good for the nervous system and to help us work toward calm and stress release to move the body as well. So we've all probably been sitting around a little bit more than we usually do, not able to get outside as much. So this is a short practice of dog pose to plank. We're going to do a couple of sets, so let's just get started. I'm going to come into dog pose and you can meet me there. So take a moment just to settle in. A little bit of movement if you need to. Good. So this first set of 5, we're just going to come into it and out of it at a nice slow but controlled pace. So it's not super slow, it's just kind of flowing. And we're going to do 5 times. We move forward on the inhalation and back on the exhalation. So next inhalation, here we go, forward. And exhale back. And just nice and easy, nice and fluid with your breath. Last one. Back to dog pose. Settle in. Take a couple of breaths. The second set of 5, we're going to go nice and fast. So one more breath in and out. And as we inhale, here we go. Forward, back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And back to dog pose. Settle in. Stay with your breath. The third set we're going to take quite slow, so this will be like half time. So inhaling, slowly, slowly forward, and slowly, slowly back. Going at your own speed. I'm on 3. We're going to do 5. Last one. Back in dog pose. Find your breath. We're going to do one more set of 5 back to our first flowing with control speed. And on the 5th time when we come into plank, we're going to hold it for 10 breaths. So one more breath in and out. And inhale forward. And exhale back. Coming into the last one, we're going to hold plank, firm up the thighs, reach back through the heels. And back to dog pose. Big breath in, big breath out. And then down to your knees. And we're done. So since I'm teaching at home now, I created this nice teach from home space. And my mat is right in my front hallway where I can hardly miss it. when I walk into my little study here or back into our living room. So having it right there under my nose gives me a lot more incentive to maybe stop and do a couple of sets of this sort of thing a couple of times a day, and or to do some poses, or just to do a little more than maybe I would do if the mat wasn't right there. So everybody stay home, stay safe, stay well. I hope this was helpful, and namaste.